I'm not a native of Schuylkill County. I was born, spent the first 11 years of my life in Lancaster County.
Okay.
However, I'm the third generation of footwear manufacturers. My grandfather was manufacturing, my father, and of course myself and my sister.
Okay. And Mr. Zimmerman, you said that your family has had the shoe company. Has it always been the same place?
Yes, it's been at the same location. The building was built in 1913. As I said, my family purchased it around 1960, 1961, and we've always manufactured there. We've added some locations. We have 2 warehouses that we work with, or work through.
Can you tell me something about the changes you've seen in the shoe industry in your lifetime?
Oh, yeah. When I first started, most children's manufacturers were making welted, constructed shoes, and that's basically where this is what they call the upper part was stitched onto the sole. And we started out making shoes that were cement construction. There's a bead of cement applied along here, and then once this upper is pulled over the last and roughed off, this is also cemented and heat activated and attached to the sole. Whereas the process everyone was doing when we first got started was welted construction, where they would stitch the upper part right to the sole, which made it almost indestructible. But there was this is a learning process in the 60s. It was certainly wasn't perfected, and it took us about 10 years to get it perfected.
How about the labor to put shoes together?
We've been fortunate. Orangeburg was a shoe town. I believe in 1913 there were over a dozen shoe companies. They produced in excess of 1,400,000 pairs of shoes annually. So it's been a shoe town, and we have not had an issue acquiring labor, and most of the people that are work with us have been with us for in excess of 20 years.
Wow. Okay. Has the machinery changed a lot over time?
Oh yeah, yeah. The machinery. There's still basically 125 different operations to build a pair of shoes. And the interesting thing about shoes is you're building 2 as opposed to 1 of something. And I think that they made some strides in developing new machines to make the process easier. However, it's still labor intensive.